Hi students, welcome to my channel Solutions to You. In this video, let us see the solutions for Plus 2 Physics Unit 2 Book Back 1 Mark questions. The first question is, the following graph shows current versus voltage values of some unknown conductor. What is the resistance of this conductor? Here we are seeing a graph between voltage and current. So first, let's see what is Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So here voltage is directly proportional to current. So if a conductor obeys Ohm's law, the graph between voltage and current should be a straight line. It should be a straight line. It should not be a curve. So here this is a straight line and hence this conductor it obeys Ohm's law. Ohm's law. So now the slope of this curve is equal to 1 by R. So slope of that curve is equal to 2 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by R. So the resistance of this conductor is 2 ohms. So the correct answer is A. The second question is, a wire of resistance 2 ohms per meter is bent to form a circle of radius 1 meter. The equivalent resistance between its two diametrically opposite points A and B as shown in the figure is. So we have to find the equivalent resistance between these 2 points. So here we are seeing a wire. This is a wire. It is bent to form a circle and radius is given as 1 meter. Radius of this circle is 1 meter. So the total length of the circle or the wire, length of the wire is equal to the circumference. Circumference that is equal to 2 pi r and radius is 1 meter. So 2 pi into, that is 2 pi into 1. So the total length of the wire is equal to 2 pi meters. Now the resistance it is given 2 ohms per meter. So the total resistance of the wire is equal to, so 2 pi into 2. So therefore it is 4 pi ohms. So this is bent into a circle. So like this. Here one part is there, A to B. And this part the resistance will be 2 pi, half of this. Total is 4 pi, this is 2 pi and this will be 2 pi. So this is 2 pi and this is 2 pi. Now we have to find the equivalent resistance. So from this diagram itself we can find these two are parallel. It is connected parallel. So the equivalent resistance is given by 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is will take as R1 and this you take as R2. So it will be equal to 1 by 2 pi plus 1 by 2 pi. It is equal to 2 by 2 pi and so 1 by pi. So the equivalent resistance is given by pi. It is the reciprocal of 1 by pi. So this is equal to pi. So the answer is pi ohms. The unit is ohms for resistance. The third question is, a toaster operating at 240 volt has a resistance of 120 ohm. So the power is, you have to find the power. The formula for power is equal to I squared R. What are the values given? Voltage is given 240 volts. Resistance is equal to 120 ohms. So we can calculate the current. current is equal to V by R. We all know by Ohm's law V is equal to IR. So current is equal to V by R. So it is 240 by 120. So it is equal to 2 amps. Now we have to find the power. Power is equal to I square R. So 2 square into R is 120. So is equal to 4 into 120, and this is equal to 480 watts. The unit for power is watts. So the correct option is C. Question number 4 is a carbon resistor of 47 plus or minus 4.7 kilo ohms to be marked with rings of different color for its identification. The color code sequence will be. So you have to find the color code sequence for this carbon resistors. The resistance value is given, that is equal to R is equal to 47 plus or minus 4.7 kilo ohms. So when we are converting it into ohms, it will be plus or minus 4.7 into 10 power 3 ohms. So first I will tell you the color coding for resistors. So there is a coding table for you, and you have to remember this. The easy way to remember this is we have to remember BB, the first letters, and it will be in the order from 0 to 9. BB Roy, R-O-Y, Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. So you have to remember this. BB Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. So this is from, so B first starts with black. And the other color you can remember 0 to 9. And then again there are 3 metallic colors, gold, silver and colorless. Gold, it is, the multiplier is 10 power minus 1, silver 10 power minus 2. And the tolerance for gold is 5%, silver 10%, colorless it is 20%. And the multiplier also you have to remember, from black it starts with 1 and up to silver 10 power minus 2. So how it is, the color band is given from left to right. First the metallic band will be always in the right side, metallic band, this metallic band. Here all other colors starts from first digit, second digit, the third is the decimal multiplier. So here for 47 we will do 4, the first digit. So what 4 means yellow. So first it is yellow. Second it is 7. For 7 you see it is violet. And the third color stands for decimal multiplier. So third is 10. Here the decimal multiplier is 10 power 3. So corresponding to 10 power 3 it is orange. And the tolerance it is given plus or minus 4.7. So you have to find the percentage. So 4.7 by 47 into 100. So it comes to 10%. So for 10% the color code is silver. What is silver? So first you have to remember all these things. The first digit for the first one here 0 to 9. The second digit again this 0 to 9. You have to select from this 0 to 9. The third one is the decimal multiplier, and the fourth is the tolerance, that is the metallic band. So yellow, violet, orange and silver. So B is the correct option. The fifth question is, what is the value of resistance of the following resistors? Here in the diagram a resistor is shown. So from seeing the color code you have to find the value of resistance. The color code is, you can write it down, brown, it is brown, black, third one is yellow and gold. So accordingly we have to write the, find the value. It's brown means it's number 1. The first digit is 1. Black it is 0. Yellow the multiplier. The third band corresponds to multiplier. You have to remember these two things. So third one is the decimal multiplier. So yellow is 10 power 4. And gold, the tolerance is 5%. So 5% tolerance. So here just the resistance value is given. So the value is 10 into 10 power 4 ohms. So this is equal to R is equal to 100 into 10 power 3 ohms. And convert it into kilo ohms, it is 100 kilo ohms. So the answer is A. It is 100 kilo ohms. The resistance of the resistor is 100 kilo ohms with tolerance 5%. We'll go to the next question. Question number 6. Two wires of A and B with circular cross section made up of the same material with equal lengths. Suppose RA is equal to 3RB, then what is the ratio of radius of wire A to that of B? So there are two wires A and B. Let us take this resistance as RA and this one as RB. The relation between the resistance is given as RA is equal to 3RB and same material and equal length. So LA is equal to LB and the formula for resistance is given as R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity. Rho is known as the resistivity. It depends upon the material. For example, the resistivity of pure water. Resistivity of pure water is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 5 ohm meter at 20 degrees centigrade. So the resistivity depends upon the material. It's fixed for each material. Here it is made up of same material. So you can write as rho A is equal to again rho B. Length is same. And area of cross section is different. Area of cross section is pi r square. For this you will take the radius as RA and this radius as RB. So now substituting all the values in this equation, here we can write rho LA by area is pi RA square is equal to 3 times what is that RB, 3RB, sorry I have written as RB, it is 3RB. So 3 into rho LB by pi RB square. So this cancel this. LA is equal to LB. So this will also get cancelled. So 1 by RA square is equal to 3 by RB square. The question is what we have to find? The ratio of radius of wire A to that of B. So RA to RB we have to find. This is what. So RA square by RB square is equal to 1 by 3. So ratio of RA is equal to 1 by root 3. So correct option is C. Question number 7. A wire connected to a power supply of 230 volt has power dissipation P1. Suppose the wire is cut into two equal pieces and connected parallel to the same power supply. In this case, the power dissipation is P2. The ratio P2 by P1 is. So we have to find the ratio of the power. So first what is given is a wire is connected to a power supply of 230 volts. Let us take the resistance as R. So P1 is equal to, the power dissipation is P1. So P1 is equal to V square by R. And this wire is cut into two equal pieces. So it will be, same wire is cut into two equal pieces. It is connected to the same power supply. So this total resistance of this wire is R. When it is cut into two pieces, it will become R by 2, R by 2, and this is 230 volts P. So now it's connected parallel. So the equivalent resistance we have to find. 1 by R P is equal to 1 by R by 2 plus R by 2. That is equal to 2 by R plus 2 by R is equal to 4 by R. So the equivalent resistance is R by 4. In this case, the power dissipation is P2, and P2 is equal to P square by RP. So substituting it, you will get P square by R by 4. So 4 V square by R. Now we have to find the ratio of P2 by P1. P2 is 4 V square by R divided by V square by R. So it is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Question number 8. In India, electricity is supplied for domestic use at 220 volt. It is supplied at 110 volt in USA. If the resistance of a 60 watt bulb for use in India is R, the resistance of a 60 watt bulb for use in USA will be. So, we have to find the resistance of a 60 watt bulb in USA. So, India, US, you can take it as. Here, this V is equal to 220 volt. You can take this as V1. It is 110 volt. And here power is 60 watt. Here P1 is equal to, here also 60 watt. And resistance is R. So we will take it as R1. So the formula for resistance is equal to V square by R is equal to V square by P. So for India it is R is equal to V square, the value is 220 square by 60. Here R1 is equal to 110 square by 60. Now we have to find the resistance of 60 watt bulb for use in USA. So R1 by R is equal to 110 square by 60 divided by 220 square by 60. So 110 and 110 divided by 220 into 220. So this will be 1 by 4. So R1 is equal to R by 4. So this is the resistance of a 60 watt bulb in US. So this will be R by 4, where R is the resistance of 60 watt bulb in India. So the correct answer is option C, R by 4.